Good morning. You can see Miss Soundarya waving out to you, but you will be hearing my voice, Miss Juno's voice. Okay, that's because I am behind the camera and we are going to show you how you can do a new operation which is called as multiplication. Okay, what is the word? Can you repeat for me? Multiplication. Shall we get started? Okay. To begin this activity, just like how you had arranged last time for addition, you will have to arrange and keep first your change game material of thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, and you will also keep the number cards from 1 to 9,000 and have your decimal mat ready and a tray for your change game and collecting the change game materials. Moving on to next mat, we will have the card material, the small number cards, 3 sets, as I am going to have 3 people to do, and the trays for them and the unit cups in each of the tray. And this time I am going to do the activity with Miss Soundarya, Varun and Anne. Okay, last time we did with Jenna. Next activity when you are doing next operation, we will bring in the other children. Okay, this time I am out. I am going to be the banker. Okay, I am going to tell you who takes what. Okay, so I am going to help you with and guide you about how you do this activity. That's why in my place and Jenna's place we have Varun and Anne. Okay, shall we get started? Okay. In this game, when you are doing at home, you will have to maintain a little bit of secrecy. Okay? Instead of calling out the number for your mummy or daddy or grandpa, you will only tell it in their ears. Okay? Like a secret. யாருக்குமே கேட்கக்கூடாது. சரியா? நீங்கள் என்ன நம்பர் சொல்ல போகிறீங்களோ அது வந்து you must not reveal it outside. What you tell mummy should go only to your mummy's ears. What you tell daddy will go only to daddy's ears. What you tell grandpa will go only to grandpa's ears. Okay? And then we will do the operation. So first one, I am going to give one secret number for Miss Soundarya. Okay? Yes. Miss Soundarya, yes. I am going to give you your secret number. Okay? Nobody is going to hear that. Okay, I have given Miss Soundarya her number, her quantity. Okay, so we are not going to see that. Okay, she is going to cover it up. You can't see it. Very smart. She covered it up with her slate. You can't do anything now. Okay, we will give the number for Varun. Let's assume Miss Soundarya is Varun. Okay, Varun, shall I give you a new number?
Sure.
Yes. Okay, now she is Varun. Varun is all grown up suddenly. Okay, I am going to tell it in her ears, so you will not know. Okay. 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 I already told her the number and she is saying Varun is taking and keeping the number. This is Varun's secret number. Okay, Varun is done with his secret number. Now we will move on to Anne. Okay, Anne, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I am going to tell you what quantity you will take in the number cards. Ready? Okay, please take. It's going to be a secret. Yes, I told her secret number. So you see Anne taking and keeping it? That is Anne's tray and her cards are kept. That's all. Okay? Now, Miss Soundarya's cards are in her tray, Varun's cards are in his tray, and Anne's small number cards are in her tray. Shall we open and see now what are the numbers that I have given them? Well then, let's start with Miss Soundarya's number. What is in her tray? She has 2534. Great. Now let's see how much Varun has got. He also has got 2534. Okay, now let's move to Anne's tray. Oh, look at that. She has also got 2534. All of you got 2534? Okay, great. Let's now take the quantity anyway. It's the same quantity. So, but all three of you will have to take the same quantity. We'll start with Miss Soundarya's quantity. The golden bead quantity. 2000. We'll start with 2000. 500s. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. And then we have the tens, 3 tens. 110, 210, 3 tens. And 4 ones. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, and 4 units. Okay, so there is her 2534. Okay, now we'll move to Varun's quantity, which is the same 2534. There you see, that is Varun's quantity of 2534. Done. Next we will do Anne's quantity, her golden bead material. Two units, 3 units and 4 units. So that is the 3 quantities. Okay. So now what I am going to do, like the earlier thing, all of you got your quantity, but all of you have got this time the same quantity. Now let's bring it together and see, just like addition, let's bring it together and see how much all of you have got together. So I am going to take my tray, I am going to bring Anne's quantities. Then I am bringing Varun's quantities. Then I am going to bring next Miss Soundarya's quantities. And there she finishes with her quantity. So there is nothing left in Miss Soundarya's tray or Varun's tray or Anne's tray. Every quantity I have taken and I put it in my large tray. Now we are going to do a change game. Hi. So I got now Soundarya's quantity, I got Varun's quantity and I got Anne's quantity. Now I have brought them all together and I am going to do the change game. Okay. And since I am the banker, I will do the change game. So at home, whoever is a banker, they can do the change game. Okay, wow? Okay. So for that, I'll have to start with ones. Okay, let me start with ones, and you know that when I reach 10, I will exchange it. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there are 10 beads in it and I am going to exchange it for 1 bar of 10. I will bring it into my tray. This will go into the bank. There are some more beads left in it. Let's count it. 1, 2. This I cannot exchange. So let it be there. Next I am going for tens. I am going to take it from the tray where I collected all the beads. 110, 210, or I can say 20, 30, 40, 50, count with me, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Oh, look at that. This also became empty here. There is nothing here. Okay, anyway, there is 100 here. So, I am going to take 100 from the bank. Okay, I am going to take 100 and I will put this back into the bank. I will bring this quantity into my into my tray. Now there are no more tens, so let's not be worried about tens. Let's go to hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, count with me, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1000. Okay, let me bring 1000 from the bank for exchange, and look at that. Yes, they are same. So I'll keep this 1000 for myself and I'll give this back to the bank. I can bring my 1000 here. Let's continue with the hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. We got 600s here. I can't exchange it, so let it be there. So we have right now 2 ones, no tens or 0 tens, and we have how many? 600s. Now we have to move on to thousands. Let's start. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000. Wow, we got 7000. We can now go ahead and represent it with our number cards. 7000, is it not? So let me bring the card of 7000. Then I need to bring how many hundreds? We counted 600s. So let me take 600. Then I have how many tens? 0 tens. So we are not going to take anything from tens, and then we are going to take 2 units. Let's take the card of 2. So this, my children, is your answer. I'll show you how this has to be represented. So I'll have to now, like I brought all the quantities here, the bead quantity, I have to bring the card quantities. So the first card was that of Miss Soundarya. We had 2534. Okay. Then we have Varun's card, 2534. Then we had Anne's card of 2534. Okay. Now, this is your answer. Okay. What we did was actually addition only. It was just addition. Did you see any difference? The only thing was the quantity that we asked to bring each of them were same. So, multiplication is nothing but bringing same quantities. What is multiplication? Bringing together same quantities. You can either bring 3's together, or you can bring 32's together, all of you get 32, or all of you get 155, or all of you get 1568. But that's what I'm trying to say. Addition is bringing different quantities together. Multiplication is bringing same quantities together. It's the same, just bringing together. What you bring together only will tell you whether you're going to do is addition or multiplication. So tell me again, addition is bringing different quantities together and multiplication is bringing same quantities together. Okay, now how many quantities, how many times did I bring it? 1, 2, 3. Is it not? Yes, we bought 2534 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So your answer for this shall be shown as 2534 taken 3 times. See how I am going to show you. I am going to take from this operation symbol multiplication. This was addition, right? This is your multiplication symbol. See, because it is so much like addition, multiplication will be like this. They are the same, just a little bit of tweaking we did. This is your symbol for multiplication, an X. Okay, so 2534 taken 3 times. I took this number card from the small number cards only. Okay, so your answer for this is a big number. Small numbers taken 3 times will give you equals to a big number. Now can you say with me, 2534 taken 3 times equals 7602. Once you have done this, you will have to record your answer in your notebook. Okay, so continue your work. It's just like addition, only difference is you're going to have similar, same quantities, exactly same quantities. Okay, like that you can find out. Maybe you can try even smaller numbers like 10 taken 5 times, 10 taken 3 times, like that. Would you like to try? Try and see like that at home. You don't have to really go for big numbers. You can try even small numbers like 5s and 10s and 6, just units alone you can try, or 10s alone you can try, or hundreds alone you can try. Okay, try and let me know. So that is all, children, for this week. I want you to continue with multiplication in this week and the next week also. After that, I will teach you another operation. That won't be like this. That will be different. Okay? I think you're all ready. You're all set for the next operation also. But you have to do this multiplication. See you all in another video. Until then, ta-ta.